Tell them I think I'm too big for this. So this is the greatest thing on earth. The view is amazing! Oh, shoot! I think we can do an entire buffet every day. Everything honey, baby. Yeah! Wait for me! Hey, I did it and I loved it. Can I join your tribe? Let's just do it and see what happens. But you never know. It could be amazing. It could be amazing. I'm just kidding. This is fun though. It really is fun. What's up, me fun? Hello! And welcome back to another episode of Brad Challenging Taiwan. Round 2. Brad, be right out. What? Brad. Cooking, hunting, gathering, frolicking in the fields, and some things I was not good at. Oh! Whoa! And today we're going to show you more of that culture, but the main goal of today is show you something that the indigenous people have cultivated so well, and you're going to be super excited for, and that is hot spring! I know from a little kid, I always knew you loved hot tubbing. Absolutely. You love all that stuff. I still do. We're right now at this public hot tub place here in Pingdong, and soon you're going to go to a private hot spring, your very own. So, individual rooms. They call these like family hot spring rooms, right? So, I think you can bring your significant other, your family, whatever, whoever you're trying to relax with and be in kind of a private area. What a great place this would be for a date. This room's actually open, so we can go in and check and see what it is. It's actually something I wish I had at my gym at home so that people can take advantage of in terms of therapy. Really cool. So I got him a private hot spring. I knew you would be excited, and it's mixed in with our hotel. So let's get back to our hotel room. I'm going to show you the hot spring, and let's just enjoy it. Wow. Hot tub? What's going on, man? I don't know. We have a private hot tub. Nothing better than to go sit down and just fresh hot spring water. So we came to this hotel, it's in the middle of nowhere, and every single house, every single little hotel has one of these. Sodium hydrogen carbonate spring. So this actually has some benefits. Well, it doesn't smell. There's no colors, and it's great for your skin. It's time to wrap up the hot spring time. Get to bed, and I'll see you tomorrow for a sunrise and a breakfast. So far, man, this place is amazing. I think the East Coast here in Taiwan is so tropical, it's beautiful. You woke up at 5 o'clock today and you was outside exploring the grasslands. How was that? I woke up at 5 and realized that it was a little bit light outside, so I went outside. The air here is just phenomenal. Like, it feels so good to just take in deep breaths. Look how green this is. How could you not wake up and just think that this is the greatest thing on earth? It just is. This is nice. The development in his arms let me know that he must have gone to a very good quality gym. Breakfast Wang Sui. This is extremely traditional Taiwanese breakfast. Ooh. Wow. Probably gonna be the breakfast that fuels me better than any breakfast we've had. Love this chicken stuff. I don't know what it is. You could be a bodybuilder for sure with a breakfast like this. So good. Brad's over here making me a Neapolitan toast. There you have it. Is that amazing? Well, it looks like a country flag. The best part of the day is here. Ice cream. What? I wanted ice cream. I thought it was ice cream. I thought it was ice cream.
want to take off your
Close? Woo! Yes, I do. I'm gonna try on some traditional indigenous clothing. Maybe tell them I think I'm too big for this.
Okay.
No. Not too big. Okay, this fits me good. Oh yeah. I can show you though. Hey, go Logan. Wow.
Yeah. So, oh no. Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're looking good, Brad.
Thank you.
Brad from the Goose Goose tribe. Let's get up the mountain. Oh, there we go. We are walking up to the shrine that is in this place. Because not only do these mountains carry Taiwanese culture, indigenous culture, but they also have tons of Japanese culture. The place is nice. We're up in the mountains. The weather, the air, it's just all absolutely beautiful. We have the view is amazing.
Yeah,
it's good business.
amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
We didn't sync up on that one, did we? But it's alright.
The view is amazing.
以前我们这边大家在这个部落，就是以前日本他们在台湾的时候的一个主要的根据地，所以这边有那个神社。
We're the first Americans up here.
What's the New Zealand?
Uh-huh.
No American, but there are students come here, so you are the first adult here.
The first elder to come here, Brad. You are an elder. Am I that old? So Brad, right now we are planting mushrooms. Boom! I've never planted mushrooms in a loincloth before. Can I join your tribe? Yes!
现在第二个比较危险的动作，我们要上蜡。如果没有上蜡，它那个虫会吃它。这个，我们现在种可能要放大概8、9个月。
Whoa, really? It's tea time! Bum, 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 bum. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The brats and Logan make tea by hurrah, hurrah. We're putting it in the bags, weigh the tea, 2 grams, add some this and make it 3. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! What's up, guys? Okay, we're gonna be making some tea, and not your normal tea. This is gonna be tea made from this region. And Brad, it's all about healthy because this is known as longevity tea, which is actually an herbal tea. Yeah. They told me that there's absolutely no caffeine or anything in it. It's herbal, it's healthy. Yeah. This is known as the feng wei juan. So we got 2 different teas that are known to this area. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. But Brad, the 抽奖活动. Oh, the sweepstakes. Oh! Leave a comment down below. 牡丹原住民 Brad 万岁. One of you can have the chance to win the tea that we just made.
我们要做蜂蜡的体验。
I am making a potion, an indigenous lip potion. 3, 4, 5. Okay, can we be real though? Who would have imagined us making chapstick up in the mountains in Taiwan while wearing a loincloth? It just smells really good. I'm excited to put this on my lips. Okay, that is actually really nice. You can feel the layer of protection and that lavender. This is the tea we just made mixed with some of the honey used for chapstick. That's my jam. Yeah, that's my jam. Wow. So, here we are. Oh, 谢谢 drink. Masalo. Check this out.
So we're gonna have a picnic right here in this field.
It should be epic. Let's eat. Hello. It's food time. Have you noticed how much food they have at these places?
Yeah, I think that they think we can do an entire buffet every day. If you want to be healthy, move up to the mountains for a few months.
Yep, definitely.
You're gonna be good.
So let's get moving around. I see this rice they just brought us. Come here. Some pork in there. It's got some creaminess to it.
Can we get a to-go bag?
This is kaoji. This is your chicken. The outside is just glazing and yummy.
But it's not just chicken.
Soft, tender,
juicy. This is a lot more tender.
Yeah.
And purple sweet potato again.
这个有放 honey 吗？
Everything honey, baby. Honey.
But they were saying, Brad, this is their favorite. 小米加米.
How good, huh?
Oh gosh. Honestly, amongst all our meals, this actually may be my favorite. We're going to finish this up and then we're going to be taking you to our very last spot of our indigenous adventures where we can see all the tribes at once. Let's get going. We're right now at the fourth and final tribe, the Siling tribe, up here in Mudan, Pingdong. And guys, this is gonna be exciting. Brad, we're gonna be hiking to a peak of a mountain called Silinga Mountain. And at the top, we'll be able to see all sides of the peninsula here in Pingdong. Do you think you can hike this whole thing? Or
Easy for me.
Our guide right here is so Taiwanese, okay? He's so Taiwanese that we come over this area, 漂亮的风景，可以看到山海。但是我们的导游就是因为真的是嫁给一台湾人，他又跟我说，小贝，你看 ，7 在那边，重点关键字 7。所以这边可以看到哪一个 7？
满洲圆环 7。
Okay, 就是在那里。That you can see a 7 right there. This backpack is heavy. Brad, get over here. Is this nice or what? Wow. Oh, shoot.
打到山猪了，跟家里面下面的部落喊一下，让我们的家人准备烧热水，那我们的山猪都准备扛到山下面去。
Make sure to subscribe! Woo! Okay. Wait for me! Victory, Brad!
Open your eyes.
Wow, bro.
Open your
What
eyes.
the?
现在我们看到的是我们的里龙山大美部落，我们的车城福安宫、五里亭机场，还有我们的恒春市区哈。它这边的景色360度哈，恒春半岛三片海洋都看得到，巴士海峡、太平洋、台湾海峡都看得到。欢迎大家来到我们的士林格山，马萨鲁。
2 days in this Pingdong Mudan 原住民区 and we saw so many of these awesome tribes, the culture and the food and so much more.
It was good. It was amazing. Pretty much experienced everything here. I've cooked, hunting, I've done gathering, I've done trapping. I'm like doing all the things and I'm cooking. And I'm pretty good at the cooking part. I don't know what that says about me, but hey, I did it and I loved it.
He's seen the big cities in Taiwan, but he's never seen the indigenous culture. And that was really awesome for me to show you that.
Because I didn't know it existed.
Yeah, well, most people don't know existed.
Okay.
And now you guys do as well. And once again, for a recap, we went to 4 different amazing tribes. First off, we went to Dame to experience hunting, gathering, and even cooking. Second, we went to Shuhai and we saw that beautiful place with the grass and the great scenery. Next, we went to Gaoshi, and that place was absolutely incredible. The food there was splendid. And lastly, Silin, which is this mountainous place we're standing right now.
It is pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie. You do not get views like this every day.
Oh.
I don't imagine there's a better one literally on the entire island, and it's right here where we're standing. That's pretty tough.
Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, checking out Brad's first experience with these indigenous tribes. If you guys like this, leave the comments down below what your favorite part is. Guys, come to Mudan and experience this indigenous culture and check out the scenes and the food. Otherwise, guys, make sure you subscribe, and I think you all know what to say. 喝一杯，快乐一杯，米江万岁。 Oh my gosh, what's going on? We are going to be playing an indigenous game.
这个东西。
Oh, the limbo!
Oh yeah, oh yeah, come on, come on. 跳起来，跳起来。你跳，我就从下面就好了。
Yeah, he did it. How do you feel, bro?
I feel good. Let's get it higher. No, we're done.